C. News coverage. Keeping up with the latest news coverage surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra can provide valuable insights into upcoming updates, announcements, and developments related to the device. Stay informed about new features, software updates, and industry trends that may impact your experience with the S24 Ultra. 1. Product launch and announcement. News coverage typically starts with the initial product launch and announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Major tech events, such as Samsung Unpacked or Mobile World Congress, serve as platforms for unveiling new flagship smartphones like the S24 Ultra. Stay tuned to news outlets, tech blogs, and social media channels for live coverage and announcements from the event. 2. Hands-on impressions. Following the product launch, tech journalists and influencers often publish hands-on impressions and first impressions articles/videos detailing their initial experiences with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These hands-on impressions provide valuable insights into the device's design, build quality, display, performance, and key features. 3. Reviews and analysis. As the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra becomes available to consumers, news outlets and tech publications publish comprehensive reviews and analysis pieces. These reviews delve deeper into the device's performance, camera capabilities, battery life, software experience, and overall value proposition. Pay attention to reviews from reputable sources to get a well-rounded understanding of the device's strengths and weaknesses. 4. Software updates and enhancements. Stay informed about software updates and enhancements released for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung regularly releases firmware updates to improve performance, address bugs, and introduce new features. News coverage and tech forums can provide insights into the latest software updates and any notable changes or improvements they bring to the device. 5. Accessories and add-ons. Keep an eye out for news coverage related to accessories and add-ons available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. From protective cases and screen protectors to wireless chargers and Bluetooth accessories, staying informed about compatible accessories can enhance your overall experience with the device. 6. Industry trends and developments. Beyond specific news about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, stay informed about broader industry trends and developments that may impact the smartphone market. This includes advancements in technology, shifts in consumer preferences, and emerging trends in features and design. By staying updated on the latest news coverage surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can remain informed about new features, updates, and industry trends that may impact your experience with the device. Whether it's learning about upcoming software updates or discovering new accessories, staying informed allows you to make the most of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.